Hey folks, and welcome to week number 16. So this week we've got a few different things going on. We are going to do a mini annotated bibliography that's really going to be about assessing the quality of the sources for Essay 4. Then I want you to watch Writing in the Real World and complete and submit your revision to Essay 1, 2, or 3. You should have feedback on those quite quickly. Look at the sample introduction for Essay 4, and then write and submit your Essay 4 introduction. We'll go ahead and go take a look at those. So your sample Essay 4 intro and a place to obviously submit it. Because we are starting from a practical problem here and working our way through to a practical solution, your introduction should largely be explaining and introducing the practical problem. You should be able to do this as soon as you have a clear understanding of your topic, and so I'm hoping we can get a basic introduction together here. Your Essay 1, 2, or 3 revision is right here, so you should have feedback on that, and you should just be able to revise it. Also, either before you do the Essay 1, 2, or 3 revision, or before you do the Essay 4 intro, one of the two, make sure you watch this Writing in the Real World video. It really talks about writing the way people think. Now, I want to go ahead and talk about the mini annotated bibliography. So, with Essay 2 and 3, with Essay 2 and 3, we had you guys do some analysis of the sources. Okay, so for Essay 2, you were really analyzing those sources as the focus of the paper. With Essay 3, we did that handy grid that sort of asked you to assess the credibility of your sources. What we're going to do here is to do the same thing we did with Essay 3, but you're going to do it in written form. So what you're going to do is, for each source in your paper, so this is every source that you've got for Essay 4. If you change things after this, not a huge problem. I don't have any worries about that. What I really am concerned about is where we are right now, okay? An MLA citation, and then an annotation, just like we did early in the semester. One of the reasons I've had you practice those early in the semester is because we're cashing in on that now. We're gonna do some of those now. What research questions is this source answering? What are the answers? And then we've got this helpful explanation of credibility. What makes you think this is a credible source? And what are the weaknesses in it? I really want you to think through what are the potential weaknesses in this source. I've color-coded it. You don't need to. Indicate what's what. I just am doing this for your sake. Now, as I said, you want to do one of these for each of these sources in essay number 4. Okay, so that might be 5 to 10 different annotations. Okay, if you have any questions along the way, don't hesitate to let me know.